Okay, 2014 Yamaha MT09, non-ABS this one, Gen 1 model, so it's the original Hooligan NT. Nice clean bike really, it's done 27,000 miles, got a red guard on it and the sides as well, carbon front mudguard, upside down forks are standard, got a set of EVATEC bungs on it there. That one's got a little mark on it but nothing bad. Carbon hugger, nice sporty 3-into-1 exhaust there, that sounds nice as well, suits the bike. Got a tail tidy on, engine protectors, all the bits that you've got to spend a load of money on are already on it. Dog leg levers, it has got the mirrors with it, I just haven't put them on yet, it's only just come to us, so I need to put them back on. FATBARS, nice metallic orange with the Cobra stripes, so classic paint scheme that one. Been looked after, it will go through our workshop before it leaves us. Looks like it's got a USB there, we'll leave that on. 27,202 miles, obviously it's got rider modes as standard as well. All the consumables are good, tyres, chains, sprockets, etc. There you go, 2014 Yamaha MT09 non-ABS model, this one, less to go wrong. Nice condition all round, a few little marks here and there and a bit of wear and tear. It's done 27,000 miles, a little bit of wear on the levers and on the bar ends and things. No real damage on it, just wear and tear and usage marks really. And as I say, that bung there's had a little mark on it, but still quite usable and doesn't really detract from the nice condition that it is. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone Kent. As always, you can pop along and view the bike. If you do need finance, delivery, part exchange value, anything like that, by all means either give us a call or pop along and see us. See you soon.